Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jessica and this is Jess Scholl Budgets, and today I'm going to be talking about a few things. So I was able to pull some more Etsy funds out. Thank you all so much for your purchases. They mean a lot to me. I haven't decided exactly what I'm going to be doing with this yet. I'm thinking I'm going to, debt is debt, and I think I'm tired of being consumed by debt. So I do think that I'm going to take half of this and put it towards debt, and then maybe 25 towards Christmas and 25 towards my 90s box. So thank you all again so much for trusting me to make good products and purchasing those products. It does really mean a lot to me. So you'll see those videos come up here soon. Okay, and then another thing that I'm getting ready for Food Truck Friday, and normally I stuff my wallet on Mondays when I play Mini Monday, but I did go ahead and pull my cash for Mini Mondays. I have my $30 here, but I thought that I would come on here and just empty my wallet with you guys and restuff it. I also think that I am going to start rolling over some of the cash, kind of like I do my pet envelope, just in case I need extra. This week I didn't purchase very many drinks because we still had drinks. But next week I'm probably going to have to purchase those drinks. And so, sorry about that. So we drink, like we get Gatorades and stuff, tea. I buy tea bags, and of course my coffee, I buy whole coffee beans. I have a coffee grinder. So we didn't have very many. Oh, and then my grandson drinks apple juice and stuff. So I didn't have to buy drinks this week, so I will have to buy them next week, especially for the kids' lunches and stuff. So I do have my regular envelope money here. Variable spending: 100, 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 85, 90, 95, $200. And I think that I'm going to roll over $25 from my unused cash here, because it looks like I saved 20, 40, 45, 50, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, $61. So I'm going to roll over 25, and I still think I'll have enough to play Food Truck Friday. So I'm going to roll over 25, and then I'm going to add 120 and 5. So this week my budget will be $150. For my food envelope. For household, I didn't use anything. I do know that I'm going to need toilet paper. So I'm going to roll over 20, and I'm going to put 20 in Food Truck Friday. And I'm going to stuff with 20, 30, 35, and 40. And then same for household. I did use some from household. It looks like I used $5. We're going to roll over 20. We'll put 15 here. $15 I used. And we're going to put $20, $30, $35, and $40 into miscellaneous. And then, of course, I still have my pets, my rollover for my pets, and that is all I have for my wallet. So it looks like we have we are going to play for Food Truck Friday 20, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65. And we have these 4 stuck together ones. That's $69, $70, and $71 we're still going to be able to play with. So let's go ahead and pull out my April no spend. Today is the 10th, the 11th. Today is the 11th. I do not plan on having any spending today. Maybe tomorrow, the 12th, but we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, $6. And should I mark today off? Let's just put the 6. And if I don't have any spending, then I'll just mark it next week. So we owe it $1, $2, $3, $4, $5, and $6. So 5 and 6. This now gives us $10 in my April no spend challenge. This challenge is from Kay over at Hey Kay Budgets. It is on her Google Drive. It is a free download. And then we have our Food Truck Friday here. Okay, and then we're going to get our dice tower out as well as our dice. So we have, 14 challenges. This is from Food Truck Friday's Savings Challenge from Tobin Budget. Just made a 1.0. This is her 2.0. I actually have 1 and 2 mixed in here right now. I did purchase 2 first, and then I really started enjoying it. So I went ahead and purchased 1. And, well, I figured I would just rotate them out. I do not know that she still has Food Truck Friday 1.0 listed. I have not checked, but I'm playing with a mixture of 1 and 2. So each time I finish 1, I just rotate it with 1 from 1.0. And then once I finish that, I'll rotate it again with 2.0. Maybe in June, I'll switch it up I'll kind of wind it down come June, but for now I'm playing with both. So I roll a 12-sided dice and a 3-sided dice. Because there's no way to make a number 1, there is 14 challenges. So if it lands on 15, that goes to number 1. So let's go ahead and get started. And it is 9, 10, 11, and 12. So 12 is here. Oh, I'm so excited for this. I hope to finish this. We need 3, 6, 7, and 8 more. This will hopefully be finished soon. Let's go ahead and make some red. So that's $6 being added. $5 and $6. Which gives us 20, 40, 45, 46, 47, $48. And this is going to personal. Okay. 7. This is going to back to school. We only need 3 left. So that is a 1. I don't like to leave it on a 1. So we're just going to go ahead and finish this. And a 2. So that's $3. And another 1. So that's $4. So $4 to finish this one. We're going to put back this 16 and we will pull out a 20, or only 20. So this saved us $40 for back to school. So woohoo! And then we're going to just come over here, and I have these marked already. So we have back to school here. This is 1.0. This is build your own pizza. So we're going to build our own pizza. Okay, and we have 3, number 3, and 3. This is going to my truck tags. That is a 1. So, and a 3. So $4 going in here. Let's put a 1, take a 5, that saves us 10, 15, and 16 going into my truck tags. Two. So number 2 is here. Okay, this is going to my emergency fund. And let's go here. That is a strawberry milk for $1. Let's go one more time. And let's go here. That is a whole milk. And whole milks are $5. So $6 going in here. 5 and 6. emergency fund now has 20, 40, 50, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59. Nine, 10, 11, 12. That's a 9. So back here, mm, 5 and 6. We'll color another one. Let's do this one here because I do want to include this one to make it an even number. So personal now has 20, 40, 45, 50, 51, 52, 53, and 54. Two again. Let's go here. Strawberry milk is $1. So let's go here. That is a chocolate milk. So $5, $6 again going into emergency fund. Let me see. 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. We'll take a 10. Oops, just one, Jessica. This now has 20, 40, 50, 65. $13. 13 is a roll and save. This is going to medical expenses. That is a 3. We'll put 2 back and grab a 5. This 20, 25, and 30 now. $9, $10, $11. 11. Okay, and this is going to give us $3. Let's just go here. This is a burger, and this is going to travel, so we're adding $3 more. 1, 2, 3. Travel now has 20, 40, 45, 46, 47, and 48. $6. So our limit, it's going to birthdays, and let's go here. That is $1. Let's go here. So $2 going into birthdays. Birthdays now has 20, 30, 35, 36, 37, $38. $4. $5 going in here. And this now has 10, 15, and 16. 14. Let's go here. That is $7. So we have 7, 5, 6, 7. So out of 30, we have 10, 15, 20, 21, 22, 23, and 24. So this is either a 4 and a 6 or a 3 and a 3. This is going to shop small. Four, 5, and 6. 5 and 6. Let's go here. That is a whole lemon, so that's $6. Okay, I need to make change. Give me 2 seconds. Okay, so we have 5 and 6. Birthdays now has 20, 30, 35, 40, 41, 42, 43, $44. Seven, 8, 9. Here's number 9. Let's see, we have $7 left. So let's go here. Let's go here, start clearing this out. That is $6. Okay, so 5 and 6. This now has 20, 30, 35, 36, 37, 38, and $39. This is going to my HOA fees. Perfect. And then I only have $1 left. I think I'm going to put this in the ding, ding, ding for the finish challenge. So let's do that. So I have this Ding 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 challenge by Donna, powered by Creativity. It is a free download on her Google Drive. So it'll be linked below. I know that I am bad at linking, making sure everybody is linked, and I apologize for that. I will try to be more conscious going forward. So, and this is going to back to school. I don't yet have a folder for back to school, so, or an envelope, I should say. So I'm going to keep this intact for now, and I will get my envelope for that. Another thing that I wanted to jump on here really quickly is I have a couple of things coming to my shop. So I have these dashboards. These are super cute. They are going to be 6-hole punched and or Happy Planner hole punched. I just did mine 6-hole punch. They do fit in the binders, the A6 binders. I do not have A5 at this time, but they do fit in the A6 binders. Super cute. and you can write on them. So you can write on them, and then you can just wipe it off with the Vis a Vis markers. You can also write on them with permanent marker. You'll just need alcohol to remove it opposed to water. So right now I've been making them, playing around with them. So I have this one here. I have this gorgeous one here. It says kind people or my kind of people. It has the top 3. There's a little habit tracker. There's a reminder and some errands. I have this one. I'm not really sure how I like it. I feel like it might be a little busy, but it says, I totally adulted, hydrate, such a great day. You can track your steps, your weight, things to do, bills due, errands, no spend. And then it has a couple of cute other little stickers. I also have this one here. It says choose to shine. It has wellness check-in, mind, body, and spirit. It has a habit tracker, make it a habit. It has a somewhere you can write a gratitude saying. I also have this one. It says current mood. I'm feeling because. Healthy habit to focus on, today's growth, a kind note to myself. And then last, I have a budget one. It says learn how to see the possibility, not the problem. It has a weekly expense, the weekly spending, account balances, and a no spend challenge. These will be listed in my Etsy shop by the time you view this video. We have softball vibes and baseball vibes. These are physical products. So I will have those 2 listed in my Etsy store as well. So thank you all so much for joining me. Thank you all so much for purchasing from my Etsy store. I appreciate it so much. And I'm grateful that you chose to spend some time out of your day with me. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to stick around, please hit the subscribe button. I will see you all in the next video. Bye, everyone.